Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook a Ninja steak from scratch using the air crisp lid. It's absolutely amazing, and I will show you a trick for getting it even crispier, and you will just love the flavour on it. As well as this recipe, we have more than 1,200 recipes over RecipeThis.com. We have recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread machine and many others. And we can't wait to welcome you to our family. So the first thing to note is that you want to be putting the trivet in, but you want to be putting it so that it's high up, because then the steak will cook perfectly from the air fryer lid. If you go lower, it doesn't cook as well. And then of course you can cook 2 steaks at once, there's plenty of room for that. And these are just some sirloin steaks from the butchers. And then all you really need for them is a good covering with salt and some pepper. And then get your air fryer lid down and you're ready to start air frying them. So for the temperature, you're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And for a cook time, you're looking for 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes, we can turn them. There you go, 5 minutes, and it's going. Beat. So now it's time to turn over your steak. Right, that one's a little bit stuck there. Oh wow, it smells so good already. Then more salt inside. And then it's ready to go back on. Right, and now you want to be doing same temperature again, and then same time again, but of course on the other side. Go all the way down to 5, and then you can press start. And there you have it. They're perfect sirloin steaks cooked in the Ninja Foodi. So this is the Ninja Foodi steak that we've just cooked. I've already had a bite and it's absolutely delicious. And we've saved the fatty bits on the side for Ali. She's going to be very impressed. She's waiting at the door now, hopefully, to get some soon. And let's check out what it's like. That steak is absolutely delicious. So if you've never done steak in your Ninja Foodi before, I recommend you do. Just remember to use your high trivet so that the air crisp lid is very close to your steak. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.